Pip install from Git repo branch. Trying to pip install a repo specific branch. Google tells me to. The branch's name is issue 34 Oscar 0.60. I did pip install https://github.com tangent labs dango oscar paypal.git at issue 34 Oscar 0.6, but it's returning a 404. How do I install this branch?
Prepend the URL prefix git plus CVCS support. And specify the branch name without the leading slash. Using pip with git plus to clone a repository can be extremely slow. Test with this URL, for example. It will take a few minutes. The fastest thing I've found, which works with GitHub and Bitbucket, is which becomes for Django master. For Django stable /1.7.x. With Bitbucket, it's about the same predictable pattern. Here, the master branch is generally named default. This will make your requirements.txt installing much faster. Some other answers mention variations required when placing the package to be installed into your requirements.txt. Note that with this archive syntax, the leading e and trailing #egg equals blah blah are not required, and you can just simply paste the URL, so your requirements.txt looks like.
Instructions to install from private repo using SSH credentials. To install a package from a subdirectory, say Stack Overflow. This URL.
This worked like charm.
Just to add an extra, if you want to install it in your pip file, it can be added like this. It will be saved as an egg though.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.